to order a continental breakfast with coffee, orange juice, and fruit platter. May I know your name, please? Sure, my name is Sarah Marcelo. Thank you, Miss Sarah. To confirm your order, one continental breakfast with coffee, orange juice, and fruit platter. May I confirm number of guests? Just for one person. Thank you, Miss Sarah. For your coffee, would you prefer brewed coffee, espresso, or cappuccino? Brewed coffee, please. Certainty, and would you like more sugar or less sugar? Less sugar, please. Noted, Miss Sarah. Your order will be delivered to room 203 within 15 minutes. Is there anything else I can assist you with? That's all. Perfect. Thank you for calling Room Service Department. Have a pleasant morning. Room Service Attendant, this is Jamie. May I come in? Sure, come in. Good morning, Miss Sarah. I have your continental breakfast order. May I set up your breakfast here? Yes, please. Your breakfast is ready. Please enjoy your breakfast. Before I leave, would you like me to open your window for fresh air, adjust the curtains, or help with air conditioner? No, everything is fine. Thank you. Of course. Thank you, Miss Sarah. Enjoy your breakfast and have a wonderful day. Good afternoon. This is Jamie, room service attendant. May I clear the tray? Yes, please. Thank you. We appreciate your patronage. If you need anything, please don't hesitate to call the room service department. Have a pleasant day.